First, check the physical USB connection between your keyboard and the Dell docking station. Ensure the keyboard's USB cable is securely plugged into a USB port on the dock. Try different USB ports on the docking station, as some ports may have connectivity issues. Test each available port systematically. Next, verify the connection between the docking station and your Dell computer. Ensure the docking station cable, usually USB-C or Thunderbolt, is firmly connected to both the dock and computer. Important: if using a USB-C connection, make sure the port supports data transfer, as some USB-C ports are power-only and cannot transmit keyboard signals. If the issue persists, try disconnecting and reconnecting the docking station cable to refresh the connection. This can resolve temporary communication issues. Finally, test the keyboard by connecting it directly to your Dell computer. This will help determine if the issue is with the keyboard itself or the docking station connection. Outdated or corrupted drivers are the most common cause of Dell dock keyboard issues. The first step is accessing Device Manager to check and update your drivers. In Device Manager, expand the Keyboard section to locate your keyboard device. Right-click on the keyboard entry and select Update Driver to begin the driver update process. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find and install the latest driver version. This process will download and install the most compatible driver for your keyboard. Next, expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section and look for any devices with yellow exclamation marks. These indicate driver problems that need to be resolved for proper dock functionality. Visit the Dell support website to download the latest drivers and firmware specifically for your Dell docking station model. This ensures you have the most up-to-date and compatible drivers. As a last resort, you can reset your docking station to factory defaults. Consult your Dell documentation for the specific reset procedure for your dock model, as methods vary between different models. If your keyboard still doesn't work after trying these solutions, contact Dell support for further assistance or hardware diagnostics. They can provide model-specific guidance and determine if hardware replacement is needed.